Good morning and welcome to another area that I have never been to before. I'm in the very southern edge of the Snowdonia National Park. The town of Beghaus is over this ridge. The mountain over here, the pointed one, is Eiger, but that's not the Eiger. That is on the Snowdonia range. This is a separate mountain, and the peak that I'm going up today was originally planned for yesterday, and it's this amazing peak, Cadair Idris. I think it's 890 something meters, I think, above sea level, and it's currently just touching the cloud, the summit. But we've got a little bit of a group today. There's 3 of us. We've got Tim and Meg, and we're doing a bit of a mountaineering expedition because we've got a couple of climbs. There's a few climbs just on this ridge over here. So to begin with, we're doing Table Direct, which is a 4-pitch climb of VDIF grade, so relatively easy. That's going to take us to the bottom of Cyfrwy Arete, which is a top 50 climb for North Wales, and it's only a diff, but I think it's 7 pitches all the way to the top, and it's just going to take us up this amazing arete, almost to the actual summit of Cadair Idris, just one of the subsidiary summits, before we'll take in the true summit afterwards. Just now getting to the bottom of the first climb, which is Table Direct. Well, we've made it up the 2 multi-pitches. I'm sure I've managed to capture some absolutely epic drone shots of the ridge, of Tim climbing, and of the scenery. And now it's just, we had about 200 meters of scrambling, and now we're up on the plateau. And the true summit Cadair Idris is way over there, so we've got about a kilometre, maybe a bit more, until we get to the true summit. So this shelter marks the 811 metre summit of Cyfrwy or something like that. I'm not going to try and pronounce it again, but oh, what an incredible view from up here. Let me just spin you around and show you. Looking right across this massive void to Cadair Idris over there, and then in this direction, look at that. You can actually just make out the sea as well. I can see some coast over there. So we made it to the top of Cadair Idris. The summit is just up there and the view is amazing. If I show you this way, that's the crag that we just climbed up, and you can see the entire multi-pitch that we just did. This is a mountain I've wanted to climb for a very, very long time, and I'm so happy to be here and to have come up that particular route. Now, it is time to make the long descent down. We are almost back at the car now, and if you can hear the stream behind, literally all three of us just almost dunked ourselves in. Tim went full on head submerged, but really refreshing actually, because I've got a bit hot on that descent. We were just being baked by the sun, and in the sun it's still at least 28 probably, it feels that, maybe even 30 degrees. I think it was 30 the day before yesterday. But last little bit in the woodland, and then we're going to chill out just by the van for a little bit and then head back. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you next time.